Hey there, today we're going to disassemble this original Xbox system down to its core components. So let's get started. You're going to need the following tools: a Torx T10 Screwdriver, a Torx T15 Screwdriver, a Torx T20 Screwdriver, and a Spudger or Tweezers of some kind. Start by flipping the system over and removing the 6 Torx T20 screws. With those removed, flip the system back over and slide the top case off. We now have access to the 3 Torx T10 screws holding the hard drive and the DVD player. Now carefully unroute the hard drive power cable and lift the hard drive and the frame to gain access, and remove the 4 Torx T15 screws securing the hard drive to the frame. Once they're removed, you can lift the hard drive out of the frame and carefully disconnect the cables. Lift the DVD drive up and carefully remove the cables that are plugged into it. You can also remove the cables that are plugged into the motherboard as well. Be careful, as electronics can hold a charge for more than an hour after being unplugged. Unplug the controller ports, front power and eject button cables, as well as any other connections that are still plugged into the motherboard. Remove the 4 Torx T10 screws holding on the controller ports, and simply twist them towards you and pull up to remove them. Remove the 2 Torx T10 screws holding the power supply on. Simply lift up on the motherboard cable and remove the power supply. Unplug the fan connector and bend the clips on each side outward to remove it. Remove 9 Torx T10 screws to remove the motherboard. And to remove the front fascia, you have to pop off clips on each side of the fascia. Be gentle and go slow. Unclip the clips on the top and bottom of the front button shroud. And there you have it, a completely disassembled original Xbox system. If you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see next, please let me know in the comments below. Hope this helped.